the boomerang LED lights. It's got the fog lights as well. Sensors in the front here. Front camera. The front grille is blacked out. Power seats here. That seat is all the way back. Cup holders here. Some storage. That's pretty deep. Obviously you got your AC controls for the passengers. There's actually a button here. If you open this from the back, if you push it, it opens, and you have access to the storage in here. Third row seat. Check the space in the third row. Back. Somebody wants to adjust their seat and they go further than this, that's going to be kind of tight, but right there is just fine. Two cup holders here, two cup holders there. Obviously you got your AC vents on the sides here on top. These go up with the headrest all the way up like that. And if you want to get out, you just lift this. It goes up just like that. This specific one has the captain chair package. There's an option to get a bench seat as well. These are 20-inch wheels. Power trunk. You can lock it from here and obviously close it. There's some storage and tools. I don't know how much you can fit in here, but there's some tools underneath. The spare tire is underneath here. It's a full-size tire. These seats, you can lower them. Remote start. Pretty simple here. You got your physical buttons. You can control the screen up there. You can also use your finger. Pretty responsive. Heated seats. Heated steering wheel. Storage space. You can turn your socket on or off in here. Snow mode, tow mode, traction control, trailer brake controller, USB-C, USB-A port. And you got your wireless charger here, another 12-volt socket there. Sunroof. Armada does have about 400 horses. It's a 5.6 liter V8.